So hello everyone, welcome to Tarot with Chiva. So ngayon po babasahan naman po natin lahat ng signs about sa kanilang love and relationship. So this is general reading lang po. Only text will resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So ngayong araw po meron tayong total lunar eclipse na gaganapin. So during this powerful eclipse, no, ito yung mga nakatagong mga emosyon na mailalabas natin or it will come to light. And what it meant for you will stay. And what is not aligned, no, will gently parang surrender or fade away siya. So this is not ordinary energy. This is karmic, no? This is destiny. This is truth and revealing itself, no? So be mindful lang po, no, na eclipse energies unfolds over the next 3 to 6 months. Alright, let's move to our next sign, which is ang ating mga signs ng air. Let's move to our air signs. First, basahan natin si Gemini, which is siya ang fixed sign. No? Tingnan natin ang kanyang energy sa kanyang love life. This is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only text will resonate with you and leave what doesn't. We are reading this today, March 3, sa ating total lunar eclipse. So, let's see ang kanyang moon message for Gemini. A new romantic cycle begins. Ooh, a new romantic cycle begins for Gemini. Wow. Bagong romantic cycle. Ano ba yun? May maayos na ba ang situation? May makikilala bang bago? Anong energy yung meron ng ating mga Gemini? So, let's see. For Gemini, please, love. Love for Gemini. Love energy for Gemini, please. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, so you have a Four of Pentacles, you have the Temperance, which is need balance, no? Ace of Wands, you have Queen of Swords, and you have the Ten of Swords. Ooh. Okay, Gemini, no? Medyo obsession and control ka, no? When it comes to love. That's what it's saying. Four of Pentacles, see? Hawak niya. Yakap niya. No? This is love, guys, kasi hindi ito about finances or career or sa iba pa. Love to. So, kung sa kung sa career naman to is about overprotectiveness or financial conservative or masyadong conservative when it comes to financial. But dahil love to, this is about obsession and control sa love, no? Yun, at least you know, alam mo na, no? Merong mga insecurities when it comes to love, no? At nawawalan ka ng medyo stability sa part na to. And then, you have the Temperance, which is need balance, no? Patient, balance, calmness, no? Sa iyong relationship. And then, you have the Ace of Wands, which is a new romantic cycle or a new, alam mo yon, maglagay ka ng inspirasyon, maglagay ka ng new passion, maglagay ka ng new or good energy sa iyong love, passion, and inspiration. Si Ace of Wands when it comes to love. Okay, so sa energy mo, meron kang Capricorn, Sagittarius, and Sagittarius. More on Sagittarius ang lumalabas dito sa energy mo, Gemini, no? So, let's see naman dito sa side na to. So, may taong medyo nag-feeling failure, no? Or medyo feeling exhaustion, no? Sa situation, sa love situation, sa energy mo or sa iyong love life, no? So, itong tao na to, gusto niya ng clarity. Gusto niya na ayusin. Gusto niya ng clarity. Gusto niya ng honesty, no? Kasi you have the Queen of Swords. And sa Ten of Swords, dahil nga sa medyo parang parang feeling niya is parang naloko siya, naruin yung buhay niya, naruin yung sarili niya, yung love life niya, no? Parang nabetray siya from you, no? No? Ayan, para na-betray siya. So, wow. Sagittarius, Sagittarius, Gemini, Gemini, Libra. Only things will resonate with you, dahil. Sa mga gusto mag-cross-watcher dyan ng mga Sagittarius, go kayo doon. Sa gusto mag-cross-watcher ng mga Libra, go kayo doon. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, baka mag-resonate din yung basa kay Gemini dito at no? Sagittarius. But yes, Gemini, obviously, ito yung iyong energy when it comes to love and relationship, no? I see. I see. Okay, so let me give you a psychic message or card for Gemini. For Gemini, please. For Gemini. For Gemini, please. Power and energy. So, kailangan mo lang maging responsible daw. You maybe meron mga insecurity, but maging responsible ka lang, mag-focus ka lang sa iyong long-term relationship or goals, no? Kakayanin mo naman. And magkakaroon ka ng security and support from your partner, no? Basta maging responsible lang sa relationship, no? In balance, no? Magkaroon ka ng passion and gawin mo silang inspiration mo, Gemini, no? Because okay naman eh. Kaya lang parang nasaktan lang yata yung partner. Or vice versa. No? Kasi nag-aagawan yung energy ng Sagittarius at saka ng Gemini eh. No? Tapos may sumasalong Libra, which is kaya si Libra kasi is about authority, no? And leadership. So parang mataas ang ego, no? Merong mas mataas na ego doon sa energy na yon. So take what is for you, no? Alright, so that's your reading, Gemini, and let's move to the next sign. Alright, so let's move to Libra. Libra, this is your general love reading for March 3. And this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. First, bibigyan muna kita ng iyong Moon message. Have faith in your dream. Have faith in your dream. Lumabas si Gemini dito. Pero hindi ko kukunin. Mamaya natin ika-clarify yan. Katatapos ko lang ay Gemini. Okay, let's see. What is the love energy for our Libra? For our Libra, please. Love energy for our Libra. Oh, strange. Okay. You have the Strange, you have the Hermit, you have the Tower, you have the Queen of Swords, you have the Death, you have the Magician, and you have the New Beginning, which is the Fool. Alright. So, looks like your energy, romantic energy, is increasing. Someone may confess feeling soon. Kasi meron ditong ending, which is transformation, no? Regeneration, transformation, endings, no? Transition, and letting go or release yung mga hindi na kailangan. Because you also have Death, you have the Fool, which is a new cycle, no? Bagong cycle, bagong And then, may nagmamanifest dito. May nagmamanifest. We don't know kung anong energy to, but may nagmamanifest, which is may nagmamanifest. So, you have the Tower here as well. And you have the Queen of Swords. Clarity nga. Clarity and wisdom. Transformation. No? And you have Gemini and Aquarius. And Libra, which is air. No? Which is air card. So, yung energy mo is about transformation lang naman eh. At may sinasabi dito na yung romantic energy mo is nag-i-increase palalo. No? Kasi nandun ka na sa clarity, nandun ka na sa clarity mo, nandun ka na sa pagiging independent mo, nandun ka na sa gusto mo na ng honesty, no? Honesty sa relationship, no? Kasi parang winidraw mo na siya eh, nag-self-reflect ka na. Kasi may tower ka eh, may tower ka na, may death ka na, tapos meron ka pang the Fool, the new beginning, freedom, no? So, hindi nating alam kung gusto mo pang bumalik sa dati mo or talagang na-release mo na siya. It is, nasa sayo pa rin yun kung ano yung gagawin mo. But, pinapakita dito na obviously, na nakapag-release ka na meron ka ng clarity, meron ka nag-self-reflection ka na, no? Nag-withdraw ka na ng mga bagay na hindi nakasakit sa'yo, na hindi mo na kailangan, no? Ang lumalabas lang dito, meron ka ditong Gemini, Libra, which is your card as well, and Aquarius, which is air card. And you also have, dito naman sa kabila, meron ka ditong Scorpio. Scorpio card, and as well as Uranus, which is air sign din. Puro air, no? Puro air yung lumalabas dito, which is energy mo to, no? Air, 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 air. No? So, nakapag-release ka na eh. No? Feeling mo ngayon dito, meron ka ng content ka na, kontento ka na, nakapag-withdraw ka na, nakapag-self-reflect ka na, no? Meron ka ng courage, may confident ka na, may compassion ka na, may self-confidence and inner power ka na, no? And then, ang nakalagay dito is meron kang beginning. You are ready to explore na. Anything yan, sa lab man yan or anything, kasi pinapakita dito. Let me give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 major arcana. Meron ka ditong isang minor arcana, which is Queen of Swords pa. So, ibig sabihin nito, Libra, no? You already ended the karma. Wala nang karma sa'yo, no? Nasa ka na eh, no? Okay na Libra. No, okay na. Ito yung lahat ng major arcana mo. Tapos meron kang, mali ako. Ito pala yung isang major arcana. And then you have the Queen of Swords, which is may clarity ka na. Alam mo na yung gagawin mo. When it comes, we are reading love today, so, ibig sabihin yan, may clarity ka na sa love. And then, nasa sayo na yon if you want to start a new cycle, no? Or you want to just talagang magsimula ulit. Because wala akong nakikita dito, Libra, na babalik ka sa dati mo. No? Babalik ka sa dati mo. And nakalagay dito, no, have faith in your dreams, which is go. No? Dumiretso ka na. Dumiretso ka na sa inyong new beginning, no? Wow. Wow, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang dami mong major arcana. No? And then yung romantic energy is increasing talaga eh. Increasing talaga kahit sa natin tignan, B. No? No, marami kang mga nalamang mga katotohanan or may mga katotohanan kang malalaman, no? Pero parang nakaset na yan sa ano mo eh. Parang alam mo na yung mga paano mo siya tatanggapin, paano mo siya i-process sa utak mo, paano mo siya i-process sa heart mo, no? Okay, very nice. Wow. Alright, so let's move to the next sign. Okay, let's move to the next sign, which is Aquarius. This is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes one resonate with you and leave what doesn't. Okay, this is general love reading for today, which is our total lunar eclipse. So, bigyan mo na kita, Aquarius, ng iyong moon card or moon message. You have... Your dreams need a practical plan. Parehas kay, kay Virgo kanina. Okay, let's see. Your love. Anong energy ng love ng ating mga Aquarius, no? Aquarius, love energy, please. Aquarius, love energy. Love. Love energy for Aquarius, please. gusto maglabas. Ooh, the High Priestess. Okay, for Aquarius. Ooh, you have King of Swords, you have the Six of Pentacles, you have the Empress. The Devil. Ooh. The Three of Swords. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so Air, which is you have your own card here. Taurus, sabi nga kanina, yung moon card is Taurus card din. Empress. So when it comes to love life, now you are very intellect. Paano ko ba sasabihin yun? Yung parang you are craving emotional depth. Surface level love no longer satisfied you. Yung parang paano ko ba to sasabihin na mas positive sa inyo? You are more on divine connected, no? You are more on nurturing your own creativity, your own abundance, than connected deeply sa iyong love life, no? If that makes sense, no? Yes, because dati naging medyo ano ka, no? Medyo obsessed ka sa relationship. And doon sa pagka-obsession mo, may mga part na nasaktan ka noon. Hindi, we don't know kung last year ba o last year pa, kung ilan pa yan. But this new beginning, new cycle, no? Lumabas dito yung Three of Swords mo, you have the Devil, and you have the Two of Swords, no? These are heartbreak, obsession, problem, addiction, separation, sadness, no? Difficult choices, denial, being stuck. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Aquarius. But, because of that, hindi ka actually muna nag-focus or masyadong talagang nakatutok sa love life mo, no? But you have the energy of charity giving. Ang ibig ko sabihin sa charity giving is you still help others, you still support others, you still giving and having a gratitude, no? And you still have being feminine, being divine feminine, being sensitive, being creative when it comes to love, no? Nandyan pa rin yung nature mo, no? Nandyan pa rin yung nature mo na yan. So, or your energy mo na yan, no? But, medyo grounded ka kasi you have the King of Swords, no? Kahit nandyan si Empress sa'yo, may pagka-nurturing ka, may pagka-giver ka, no? Nandyan pa rin si iyong the Empress, no? Yes. But yung energy mo talaga is wala pa sa yung point na talagang mag-focus ka sa iyong love life. That's the energy that I can see here, no? Obviously, you have the Empress, you have the King of Swords, no? And you have the giving, no? Giver. Kita mo? Giver. Kaya lang, when it comes to your other side, love, parang hindi ka na nagbibigay, no? But in the other hand, even though you can still celebrate or have some harmony, no? You are gonna experience a time to celebrate with your loved ones, which is your family, your siblings and stuff like that, or children, whatever, kung anong situation ang meron ka ngayon, you still going to have or celebrate something at home, no? Parties, reunion, stability, no? Kasi you have the Four of Wands. No? You have the Four of Wands. So, okay pa rin. Kahit merong mga ganitong eksenang dumaan sa'yo noon, no? May mga ganitong eksenang dumaan sa'yo noon, no? No? You still doing great. So, that's good, Aquarius. And that's your love reading. And let's move to the next sign. So, that's your love reading for total lunar eclipse. And I hope nagustuhan nyo at naka-resonate po sa inyo yung ating mga readings today. And maraming salamat po sa pag-comment ninyo at sa inyong pag-follow sa aking account. And please comment, I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Ibig sabihin po nun, i-release natin. Ulitin ko po, comment nyo po dyan sa baba na I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Thank you and see you in my next video.